how to make custom frames in Canva. So basically what you're gonna have to do, so I'm gonna create a new page. So let's close this and then let's add a page. Then you're gonna have to simply go to apps, and then here you're gonna have to scroll down until you find an app, which is this one here. So let's see, let's scroll down. So you're gonna have to look for this frame maker app. So simply click on that and then click on open. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply as you can see, you're gonna have to create your custom frame first. So as you can see, we can add points. As you can see, you can uh, move it around here. As you can see, we can so let's see, so let's remove a point. So as you can see, if you click, you can remove a point, and if you double click anywhere in this frame, you can add points, and you can create your custom frame. Now after you play around with these settings and you create your own custom frame, simply click on add to design. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply add your photos or images, and you can simply use those frames. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.